Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheetal and in today's video I'll be doing a orange peel off face mask for skin whitening and glowing skin. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon for the notification. I have seen so many people throw out orange peels once they are done eating. But did you know that orange peels are powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants? So today I'll show you how to make this mask at home by using a few simple home remedies. To make this mask, I'll take one orange and I'll peel off the skin first. Now spread the orange peel in a plate and place them in an area that receives plenty of sunshine. Leave them there until they are thoroughly dried. This usually takes 1 or 2 days. Once it's dried, it looks something like this. I'll take all the orange peel and I'll put it in a jar and I'll make a powder without adding water. Now the powder is ready. I'll just take 1 tablespoon from the jar. Rest you can store it in a container and you can use it later. Next I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey helps to exfoliate your face and skin by gently removing the dead skin cells. Honey also helps in removing the fine lines, dullness, acne and dryness from your face. Next I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of raw milk, and the raw milk has a lactic acid in it and which helps to reduce the pigmentation, and it also heals the dry skin from your face and also hydrates your skin. Now I'll mix all the ingredients until it becomes a thick paste, and now I'll apply this mask all over my face. So this orange peel off mask has vitamin C, which helps to remove the blackheads, acne, clogged pores, dull skin and also the oiliness from your face, so which promotes to make your skin clean and glowing. Milk has a calcium property in it which helps to remove the dry skin and also makes your skin youthful and glowing. I'll leave this mask for 10 minutes, then I'll rinse off with the normal water. Apply this mask twice a week to get a clear and glowing skin.